Hi, my dear students. Good morning. How are you? All of you fine? Let me introduce myself. I am Sanira, your new English teacher. How you spend your vacation? Is it good or bad? How you use your time? By reading books. Okay, good. Next, watching TV, handcrafts making, etc. Okay, do you like traveling? All of you like traveling. I like travel also. My request you to that, don't travel anywhere. Stay your home. Stay home. Stay safe. What's the date today? Is it rainy? Do you like rainy season? What's the specialty of rainy season while comparing winter and summer season? Okay. Which season you like most? For me, I like rainy season. I ask one question for you. What you seen in rainy season, especially in the case of atmosphere? Okay, good. The trees become more and more green. The seeds began to sprout out. Seeds began to sprout out. Then anyway, what's the specialty of June 5th? Tell me, what is the specialty of June 5th? Okay, good. June 5th is a World Environmental Day. Do you plant trees in your home? Good. All of you plant trees in your home. All of you look at the picture. What do you see in this picture? What do you see in this picture? All of you listen here. What do you see in this picture? Stems. Stems mean marakuttigal. Is it? What happened to the trees? What happened to the trees? The trees without leaves. The trees without leaves. What happened to the trees? Okay, somebody's cut down the trees. Do you like this place? What kind of place do you like? It's like this or a place full of trees. We all are like full of trees. We all are like full of trees and plants. Okay. A question for you. Who is responsible for this? All of you listen. Who is responsible for this? Yes, we are responsible for this. We are responsible for this. How can we make our earth more green? How can we make our earth more green? Good. Plant trees. More and more trees. We plant more and more trees. Fell less trees. Fell less trees. All of you draw a picture of a tree with leaves, sticks, branches and color it. After that you send me. Do you like stories? Okay. All of you like stories. Here it is a beautiful story of a king who loved plants and trees. Let's go to the story. Unit 1. The seed of truth. Unit 1. The seed of truth. The worry. Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. He was a just and wise king. The king was fond of gardening. He spent a lot of time tending his garden, planting the finest plants, fruit, trees, vegetables and crops. His people were very happy. The king did not have children. As the king grew older, everyone got more and more worried. Who would take over the kingdom after him? Fond mean hobby. The worry, Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. He was a just and wise king. His hobby was gardening. His hobby was, fond mean hobby. His hobby was gardening. People were very happy. But everyone, as the king grew older, everyone got more and more worried. Who would take over the kingdom after him? Got it? Okay. What was the hobby of the king? What was the hobby of the king? Yes, gardening. Gardening was the hobby of the king. The king did not have any children. What will happen to the kingdom? The king did not have any children. What will happen to the kingdom? There will be nobody take over the kingdom after him. There will be nobody take over the kingdom after him. How will the king find his successor? How will the king find his successor? I will distribute some seeds to all the children of the country. I will distribute some seeds to all the children in the country. Got it? Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. He was a just and wise king. The king was fond of gardening. He spent a lot of time tending his garden, planting the finest plants, fruit, trees, vegetables and crops. His people were very happy. The king did not have children. As the king grew older, everyone got more and more worried. Who would take over the kingdom after him? A proclamation. To find a successor, the king thought of an idea. He decided, I will distribute some seed to all the children in the country. The child who grows the biggest, healthiest plant will become the prince or the princess. They can take 3 months for it. The king ordered his minister to give a proclamation. All of you got it? Seed of hope. The next day, a long line of anxious parents and children formed outside the palace. Everyone was eager to get a seed and grow the best plant. Pingla, a poor farmer's son, was one among these children. He too got a seed from the king and sowed it in a pot in his garden. He took great care of the seed. All of you got it? Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. His hobby was gardening, but people were worried. People were worried about him because he did not have any children who would take over the kingdom after him. So the king decided a proclamation and ordered his minister. The proclamation is, what is the proclamation? Distribute some seeds, okay, good, to all the children in the country. Then next day, many children and parents arrived at the palace. In this children, Pingla, a poor farmer's son, arrived at the palace and he got the seed. He took great care of the seed because the proclamation was, the child who grows the biggest, healthiest plant will become the prince or the princess. So, Pingla took great care of it. All of you got it? Okay. All of you listen here. All of you draw the wide web of the seed. Seed means with. What are the things needed for a seed to grow? What are the things? Okay, first one, sunlight. All of you take your notebook and draw the wide web of the seed. Okay, and send it to your answer. We will meet next class. Thank you.